Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a fun little vanity tour video. The vanity that I have is the IKEA HEMNES Dressing Table in the off-white color. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. So starting with the little stool here. This stool is actually from IKEA as well. I believe it's from a line called Golf or something. I will link it in the description if it's still available for purchase. But I actually put this little fur rug on top of it because I think it looks really cute. And I just want to show you what it looks like without the rug. So it looks like this. It's very farmhouse with the little X-shaped designs on the side. Just in case you were curious about the little rug that I put on it, it looks like this. And I believe I still have the tag on it. Yes, I do. I got it from As Is in IKEA, so the regular price is $40 and I got it for 40% off, so it was $24. So starting from the top, the mirror part of this vanity is a beautiful oval shape. I find it just gives it such a classic and elegant look. Vanities that have a rectangular mirror are also really beautiful. I find that they are a little bit more modern or glam, whereas the oval shape gives this a more sort of like vintage inspired soft look, which I really love. It's actually all one piece, so the mirror part here along with these little borders all the way from the trim and then these two little cubbies are all one solid piece, and then they all lay on top of the actual tabletop here. So on top of the left cubby here, I have this little dish from IKEA. It's this beautiful like lace trim dish. It's very old. I'm not sure if they still sell it, unfortunately. And on top of that, I just have this Jo Malone candle in the scent English Pear and Freesia. And then inside of this cubby, I just keep all of my makeup brushes. Spanning across here, I just have this empty Pandora bag for decor purposes. I just feel like the classic black text on white with a subtle pink ribbon really matches my aesthetic. Over here on the right cubby, I just keep these little Essie nail polishes, once again in my favorite color palette. As you can see, I like to keep my vanity tabletop relatively minimal and empty. I've tried putting all my makeup displayed on top of it, and I don't know, I just really hate the look of clutter. So I tend to get sick of it really quickly when I do that. And then in the right cubby here, I just have a bunch of miscellaneous items, so like eyelash curler, face roller thing, some things for nosebleeds, sharpener, some hair clips, just all kinds of like tools and miscellaneous objects. The top of the vanity does have this removable glass piece. So you can choose to take it off. When you take it off though, you have to take the entire centerpiece off because it kind of is sandwiched between. But yeah, I like to keep it on just because it does tend to get really dirty with like fingerprints and makeup obviously, so glass is much easier to clean than wood obviously. And the best part of this vanity is the fact that it has a hidden drawer. So it looks like that's all the storage that there is, right? Nope. This actually pulls out into a magical drawer. So this may look like a lot of makeup, but I actually have even more than this. This is nothing. I have like a whole nother Alex drawer full of it. But this is just sort of like the makeup that I use most frequently when I do wear makeup, because to be honest, on a day-to-day basis, I barely wear makeup. Just like a little bit of concealer and eyeliner. But when I do feel like glamming up, this is the makeup that I go to. I'll just do a quick tour here. So in this first drawer here, we have some old Too Faced palettes. This is the Natural Eyes palettes. before they redid their packaging. I'll be honest, I think I actually prefer this old packaging. The new one is really, really beautiful and luxe, but this is just more travel friendly and simple and just more lightweight. So I do prefer when they used to do like these little tins. Here's another Too Faced palette. It's the Teddy Bear palette. I actually love this one. I didn't read any reviews on it. I literally impulse bought this one because it was on sale and I was pleasantly surprised. It's really, really good. And then of course the classic Urban Decay Naked palette. This is really old, as you can see from the dust on it. Unfortunately, this one gets really nasty. But yeah, it's a classic. So that's all the palettes that I use the most frequently. And then I just have these Glamnetic eyeliners and lashes in here for when I feel like wearing falsies. And then I just have this little acrylic lacy clear container that I got from this little Japanese dollar store. And it has some other eye related things, so like eyebrow and eyelash and eyeliner type things. So like we have here mascara, eyeliner, all kinds of things. So the next drawer here is face. So the first one was eyes and this one is face products that I use most frequently. So we have here some concealers and foundation, some powders, some highlighters, and then some blushes here. And then hidden back here is this Elsa hairbrush that I use every day. It was literally found in H&M Kids, but I don't care. Look how beautiful that is. And lastly, in the third drawer, we just have some of my favorite lippies. So on this side here is like the long ones that were too long to fit into this acrylic case. This acrylic case I got from Dollar Tree. And so there's lip liners here, lip glosses, etc. This one here is lipsticks. This one here is more lipsticks and lip balms, and this is just my Dior lip products. And yeah, that's it. I will do an updated video of my entire makeup collection if you guys want to see that at a later date. So now I just thought I would do some final thoughts as well as the pros and cons of this vanity. So the pros are the gorgeous, unique oval-shaped mirror. I think is so pretty. The silhouette overall is just very elegant and ladylike and timeless. I also love that the legs on the vanity are also somewhat curved, giving it a very soft and feminine touch. I like the cubbies because they're actually more spacious than they seem. And I also like the glass at the top. It makes it very easy to clean. And the secret drawer that I mentioned before is just super discreet and awesome. The cons of this vanity are that, I guess the cubbies are a hit and miss because they do take up a lot of table room. So it would actually be nice if they were like a little bit smaller so that you had more room to work with in terms of table space. I guess another con is the drawer doesn't come out all the way. I know I have heard that this is like a very constant complaint that people have about this vanity. So there's actually like a lot more room in the back that's just wasted because it doesn't pull out any farther than that. I believe there are some hacks you can do to fix it, but I haven't gotten around to it. Also, the dividers are quite narrow, so that's another thing to keep in mind. And yeah. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little vanity tour video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please subscribe to my channel. It would truly mean the world to me. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day, you guys.